Welcome to Teacher Ally. It's the tool for educators using Learning Ally audiobooks in the classroom to level the playing field for students with print disabilities.
One of the things I love to work with kids on is using Learning Ally, plugging in those headphones, opening up that book, actively following along. It allows them to combine the auditory with the visual.
Schools that are actively adopting Learning Ally for students with learning disabilities are outperforming others based on adequate yearly progress data. Learning Ally has the world's largest audio textbook library, with over 75,000 human-narrated books that are audio-only or voice text, which have the audio synchronized with the text on screen. Managing audiobooks for your students is easy with Teacher Ally. Depending on your role within your school's online account, you can perform a variety of tasks. After your school becomes a member, your login credentials will be sent to your email address, and you can log in at learningally.org. Click on the Manage Students tab to add and review students. A professional at your school who maintains disability documentation will need to select the qualifying disability for each added student. This approves them for services and allows you to add books to the bookshelf. Go to the Browse Audiobooks tab to find the book you'd like to assign. Select one or more students for each book by clicking the plus sign next to their name, or assign the entire curriculum. Go back to the Manage Students tab and click on a student to view which books are on their bookshelf, review how many pages they've read, and access or change their account credentials. You can print these credentials to give students at-home access. Students can enjoy Learning Ally books on their desktop PC, Mac, or Chromebook, or with the Apple and Android apps for smartphones and tablets.
Learning Ally frees up enough time for me to be able to write the papers that I need to do the math equations that I have to do. It basically opens up my day to where I can get the work done